you tired of hitting coding roadblocks? Like, every time you think you are making progress, boom, another error, another bug, another moment when you started doubting if you are even built for this. Yeah, I've been there too. That is why in this video, I want to talk to you, not like a pro developer, not like a teacher, just as someone who is working in this part too. I'm going to share some of the biggest mistakes I've made in my coding journey and the hard-earned lesson that helped me grow. So if you are just getting started or you've been stuck and thinking of giving up, this one is for you. So how did I get here? I didn't grow up around code. I didn't come from a tech family. Honestly, I started coding because I wanted something more. I wanted freedom, creativity, and the ability to build something that actually mattered. But when I started, I had no clue what I was doing. I was watching tutorials non-stop, and that was my big mistake. The mistake I made first is getting stuck in tutorial hell. I thought I was learning because I was watching 5, 10, 20 videos in a row. I followed along, copied the code, and felt smart until I tried building something on my own, and I couldn't. What I learned is that watching isn't learning. You got to get your hands dirty. You've got to get confused, break things, and figure it out without step-by-step guidance. That's when you really grow. Number 2 mistake is trying to learn everything at once. I don't even want to tell you how many tabs I had open. React, MongoDB, Firebase, Node.js, UI design, animation, and APIs. I was chasing everything at the same time and ended up understanding none of it. Eventually, I had to slow down, pick one thing, master it, then move on. And I'm telling you now, focus will save your sanity. My mistake number 3 is comparing myself to other developers. I used to scroll on Twitter or YouTube, seeing people launching SaaS apps, getting jobs, showing off their perfect portfolio. And I just sat down there thinking, man, I'm behind. Maybe I will never catch up. But here's the truth. Everyone's story is different. Some people have more time, more support, or started earlier. You can't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Now I've learned to measure my growth against my past, not someone else's highlight reels. So what helped me actually move forward? Honestly, building real things. Not perfect things, not big things, just something. I stopped caring if it looked amazing. I cared that it worked, that it solved small problem, that it challenged me. And I made time even when I didn't feel like. Even if I had only 1 hour in the evening, that hour counted. That hour added up. And over time, things started to click. I started to believe in myself more. I started to see progress. Not massive, not viral, but steady. Here are the 5 most important lessons I've learned in my coding journey so far. Number 1, coding is more important than motivation. Even if it's 30 minutes a day, just show up. Number 2, don't rush to master 5 languages. Master the one in your front first. Number 3, build before you feel ready. That's how you get ready. Number 4, document your journey. It helps you grow and inspire others too. Don't wait until you are perfect to share. Start where you are with what you know. That's number 5. Right now, I'm still learning. I'm still growing. I'm not where I want to be yet, but I'm miles ahead of where I started. And so has you. Just by watching this, by caring about your growth, you are on the right path. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment and tell me one coding mistake you've made or something you are struggling with right now. Let's be real about it. No judgment, no shame. If this video helped you feel seen, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and join me as I keep sharing this journey. We are in this together. See you in the next one.